Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen It Learning. If you're new here, I'm your host, and on this channel we help students and tech learners stay ahead in the digital world. Now let me ask you, are you tired of spending hours writing essays, cramming notes, or struggling with assignments? Well, in 2025, you don't have to. AI has completely changed the way students study. And today, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools that will save your time, boost your grades, and make studying way easier. So grab your notebooks. Ironically, you won't need them much after this video. Let's get started.
Our first tool is no surprise, ChatGPT. Think of it as your 24/7 study partner. Whether you need explanations, summaries, or practice questions, ChatGPT delivers instant answers. For example, let's say you're struggling with photosynthesis. Boom, you'll get a crystal clear explanation. Want a quick quiz? Just ask ChatGPT to generate practice questions.
Messy notes? Missed assignments? Don't worry, Notion AI is here. This app organizes your notes, creates to-do lists, and even summarizes long lectures into bite-sized points.
Imagine attending a 2-hour lecture, then asking Notion AI to summarize it into key bullet points. You instantly save time and stress. No student wants their assignment covered in red marks. Grammarly fixes your grammar, spelling, and tone in real time. It doesn't just correct errors, it helps you sound smarter. Plus, its plagiarism checker ensures your work stays original. Professors love that.
Google gives you hundreds of links. Perplexity AI gives you direct answers with citations. It's like doing research with an expert librarian by your side. Need sources for an assignment? Just type your topic, and Perplexity lists references instantly.
Ever struggled to rephrase your notes? QuillBot helps rewrite sentences while keeping the meaning intact. It's perfect for assignments, reports, or avoiding repetitive writing.
How many times have you zoned out during class and missed something important? Well, Otter.ai records, transcribes, and summarizes lectures in real time. You'll never miss a single detail again.
Say goodbye to late-night math struggles. Wolfram Alpha not only solves equations, it explains each step. Whether it's calculus, physics, or even chemistry, Wolfram is like carrying a professor in your pocket.
Forget boring slides. Canva AI makes stunning posters, infographics, and presentations in minutes. Just type what you need, and Canva's AI designs it beautifully.
Writing a research paper? Elicit helps you find scholarly papers, summarizes them, and even extracts insights, saving hours of manual searching.
Need a last-minute presentation? Tome AI creates entire slide decks in minutes. Just type your topic and watch it generate professional slides automatically.
From ChatGPT to Tome AI, these tools cover everything from research to presentations, writing to math solving. Each tool is designed to make you study smarter, not harder, giving you more time for what matters most. Many of these tools work together seamlessly, creating a complete AI-powered study ecosystem.
And there you have it. 10 AI tools every student must use in 2025 to save time, improve grades, and study smarter, not harder. Which one of these tools do you think will help you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to Next Gen It Learning, and share it with your friends so they can also level up their studies. Oh, and check out our other videos where we give step-by-step tutorials on these exact tools. You don't want to miss those. Yes.
Pro tip, don't just ask generic questions. Use specific prompts. The smarter your prompt, the smarter your result. Notion AI doesn't just organize. It connects all your study materials across different platforms in one intelligent workspace. Watch how Grammarly transforms student writing from good to exceptional with real-time suggestions. Unlike regular search engines, Perplexity provides verified sources you can actually cite in your papers. Otter.ai turns every lecture into searchable, organized notes automatically. Wolfram Alpha doesn't just give answers, it teaches you the process, making you better at math.
These aren't just tools, they're your competitive advantage in 2025. Start using them today and watch your academic performance soar.